Some mina kwa Badwam Mpensenpensemu brother dus na ya wada said ya wada bia edroye ne Adom 106.3 FM kabum na edjumedi aso the People's Forum abro ya ba potem behwe niema ekoso ewo potem ya owo ne akama mpanifat ne tun anamode ma but meme da edi em se bibia to na akwam dia NDC amyoko ekwa abato so akoto aba ayi franka tuni eno achi obeto aba nso ede ayi mrahye won ne begirima prema hye yakonyade amomo afimpimie no ene adwunu nan abato no emu etine ede ni edi ehye ni yakopim ewo ningo prampram nkrampompene mantem hanom na yahwese ne ho abato no ebeko ede afane asahwe empuntunyusem ewo ningo prampram ene ne importe but em fana sekese koma Franco Trading Enterprise phone de papa na dwosuo ene ehonom open phone be chede am say iPhone, Samsung, Nokia ena wo pa Franco Trading Enterprise TV 32 to 65 inches oko Franco Trading Enterprise onsa ebeka bi auto ewo ehodom sanso ena air conditioner pa ye de Franco air conditioner ba kama pa etweka ne yaketo bi na madam achele e the amount bibia ne afre papa Franco ewo 0246 422 338 0246 422 338 Franco Trading Enterprise still phone papa efie and wadam Adom TV Adom FM na fe Asempa 94.7 FM ye ne fried vegetable oil na fe 40 rice akamu de afi and na pa ye dwumade no broadcast kwesi da 14th of May 2023 na anyomtofo a eba se bi Moses okay ampofo eje band ene bebo saba na makacho so oka enema pa de bo band pa dia menimo bi o niema echa ampofo je band dada akwesi ampofo je delete ne ba na say ampofo je ne ban ho asem na meken PSA Esther Afei ohine ba kisimu nyina enso ejirejirem mami ayiko dwumade wona aso asene de ebrew fried vegetable oil da 14 rice what account be Franco Trading Enterprise Zentokit multivitamin Niche Confectionery Access Bank Diamond Beauty Soap from Bamino Duffy's Health and Beauty Actigard free agromoti na fe eva magnegbe ko bebre keka ho a yakwa enu amabo nyina de akyerew na obia mo de emama afi mami ayiko dwumade no atimi awie peye edem answer be de enu akire ningo prampram no ni nyina fa NDC amyeko abatu mami ko zoom na mene Deputy General Secretary ma NDC amyeko Mohammed Bandi enkodi enkomo emfa omabaton se memreda ebeba so anase emma so Peniati ayese Dr. Kwabredufo ede asem na kopim asem ni bia court ede ahye so ochina obetena asem ni so what will be the way forward for Saturday Owura Mohammed Bandi so ultimate kan o mute ni etimi ni nkomo bokọ de okay bokọ de
me ya otie me
metonka
aye de radi asese ya ti ase
okay we phone ha okay but that's says any NDC tita for person mo hello okay near NDC tita for person mo hu ni say say eda memre da mo primaries no ebeba so
yo me da sena me da watefu nyina nso ase memre da hyehyɛ no de ya de bibia to akwan in compliance with the elections regulation ya vetting and clear aspirants ya decentralizing election throughout the country ya providing all the logistics that is required ya EC that is supposed to be the referee of the election. We have provided them everything that we have to give. In accordance with this.
Hello?
In accordance, all has been given a delegate list. And Kayeni here building a supplementary document, a friend album. Na yedi aboa process na and also yama copies aspirants ni na omunya about 80% of it. As at yesterday, the remaining was ready. But don't forget, sir, aspirants on Saka delegates list, 6 clear weeks from now. 6 clear weeks. Now, Albon no plan ye complete na ye win na. And no plan almost Saka 80% 2 weeks ago. And no eka ho na Obenyi Kobran the full team no koye analysis. In the analysis, they use the master list, which is the delegates list, to compare with a Albon no who said among errors be. To among the errors no by. And yet, you know, meeting and an elections committee air sure one said. Ye ko niya ko ye enema wo mo ka ho asem ya hwene ya siesie ni nyina na ka ade bechiro near the remaining 50 albums and the account 225 now one. Now we can proceed forward. So issues about album and yet substantive to the regulation of the election. Omufi meeting ho ana
hello
yama enti omo de woman sem ko da deputy general secretary na onhwema ho
okay
woman throw letter no the following day and I want to court.
Okay. Mr. Bandi, before you call on Bandi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, before you call a one person, you way. Now, by Babeduni, yes, say electoral commission so say or pulling out until some resolve issues be a one will be before Saturday. Or China Yanity, yes, sir, court to a better as seminal eso. Sir, Mokona and Kona send a more pen on what will be the way forward?
Yeah, agreement. Sir, Obeke election no farmer. Apart from all the issues I had easy one in the past.
Yeah.
Because the first election you transparent, you know. They are called now also on election. So they were right to say, sir, because of the court, they are pulling out.
Okay.
Even though we that it was a hasty decision. Nankabe said. Or then Chama come now one winner. Now they will sample him. So back out.
Hello?
Election. Near EC baby logistics, ever do constituencies. And they say an answer. Yeah. We believe that because we are in compliance with the processes,
yeah,
the court will give us the opportunity to go and host our Congress because repercussions now and that anymore and also power.
So it means say court no cry because of the repercussions, you know, you might go ahead elections, you know.
What him said, EC is not right when it withdraws from the election because the election is one part the presidential and another part the parliamentary. Parliamentary election is not in court. It is a presidential now. The parliamentary election still stands, so the EC's withdrawal from the election itself is problematic. But because we don't believe that, you know, there's anything that can happen.
Okay.
So we are not having that conversation now. And the other trainer, Echirano, Yami Adom near court. Near the court back.
Okay. But
let me put it on record, say. National Executive Committee, I said the other say, remember aspirant to be a delegate list. Dr. Kwabena Duffuor and the team has taken delivery of that delegates list 6 weeks ago.
Okay.
And Rabokrano,
but
yes, I'm say one man between and resolve issue. One say one man. And am I a team if he said I didn't beat our which here is more than seeking to address challenges of the election.
But Bandi, I better see you resume your brain. I join another pay. I'm here. Mohammed Bandi, Deputy General Secretary, NDC. I'm here. I'm saying the train come war. Zumenano pay. What the car say? One, Electoral Commission pull out of elections. No, and term issue. Because there's nothing at stake. Two, simple say presidential prime minister can what about the parliamentary? The Electoral Commission free. When there's also a parliamentary elections or say pen for echo na is no share esum. They believe said Dr. Kwabena Duffuor in the team there's an ulterior motive. There's a dream po be one your more just because some person resolve challenges be a one.